In this lesson, I want to talk about buying crypto. As you know, you will have to create an account in one of the crypto exchanges, but there are different ways to trade on crypto exchanges. You will first be trading cryptocurrencies through spot trading. Spot trading is a type of trading where you are exchanging one cryptocurrency for another at the current market price. You buy Bitcoin or a fraction of Bitcoin and it is yours. The Bitcoin will be in your exchange wallet. You can hold the crypto here or you can transfer it to another wallet such as a physical wallet or a web wallet. Spot trading is commonly used by investors who want to take a long-term position in a particular cryptocurrency. So how do you determine the value of a cryptocurrency? Well, you need to compare it against fiat currencies. Then you'll get an idea how much each cryptocurrency is worth. In Forex, you have charts that present the value of, for example, US dollars to British pounds or US dollars to euro. You see these charts and then you know exactly how much one is worth compared against the other. In crypto, we have the same comparison charts, except you do not compare it to fiat currencies, but to stablecoins. BUSD and USDT are examples of stablecoins. They are a type of cryptocurrency designed to maintain a stable value relative to a specific asset or basket of assets. Stablecoins are useful because they can be used to buy and sell cryptocurrencies without the volatility typically associated with crypto. BUSD stands for Binance US Dollar, and it is a stablecoin pegged to the value of the US dollar. It was created by Binance. BUSD is backed one-to-one by US dollars held in reserve, meaning that for every BUSD in circulation, there is a corresponding US dollar held in reserve to back it. USDT stands for Tether, and it is a stablecoin that is also pegged to the value of the US dollar. USDT is issued by Tether Limited and is also backed one-to-one by US dollars held in reserve. In addition to the US dollar, Tether also offers stablecoins pegged to other currencies such as the euro, the Chinese yuan, and the Japanese yen. Both BUSD and USDT are widely used in the cryptocurrency industry for trading and transactions. I'll show you how this looks in a live example. I'm going to use Binance as an example because it is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange. Now, to buy crypto, well, you need to create an account in Binance and then you can either deposit money, or I find the easiest and quickest way is just to pay by credit card or debit card. So what you can do is you can either directly buy stable coins such as BUSD or USDT, or with your credit card you can buy the crypto coin directly. Now let's review the spot market. So I'll click on Markets. Here's a list of all cryptocurrencies. I'll select Spot Markets. And here, as you can see, you have the pairs. So this one is Bitcoin and BUSD. So it's always paired with a stable coin. Here's Ethereum and BUSD. So there's a huge list of all of the cryptocurrencies available that you can buy and hold in your wallet through Binance. So let's click on a popular one, Matic, for example. So we'll click on Trade. This takes us to the trading dashboard for spot trading. Now, the first time that you see this, it will look a little bit complicated, but I assure you the more times you see it, this just looks very, very easy to use, and it is quite intuitive. So we have a chart here. If we want to review the technicals, we can view, say, daily charts, hourly charts, all sorts of time limits here. But the basis, it's like this. So here's Matic and BUSD. Let's say we want a market order, so we want to buy at the current price. So what we can do is we can buy it. We'll see the available BUSD balance here. Or if we have Matic in our wallet, then we can sell it. If you want to buy at market price, just type in how many BUSDs you want to exchange for the Matic cryptocurrency and then buy the order. And that's as simple. And then once it goes through, which is usually instantaneously, especially if it's a market order, then your BUSD has been exchanged into Matic and Matic will be available in your wallet.